recording.
My new race suit's here, thanks to GoMax. Unpacker, I've been waiting for this. How good does this look? Look at that, it's beautiful. On the back, Aussie flag, Barracuda on the back, nice big 64 on the back. Loving it. Beautiful quality. Oh, look at those race boots. How good do they look? Stunning. So light. Ooh, race gloves. Look at this, beautiful, personalised waist gloves. Loving it. What else have we got in here? Oh, a bonus! A GoMax t-shirt. Wasn't expecting that. That's awesome. Wear that for hits. And some stickers. We're looking forward to putting some of these on the bike too, to flash them around in Australia. Thank you so much to GoMax, Beta as well. Thank you for the support and the sponsorship. Much appreciated. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you so much.